Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to integrate Shiprocket with your Shopify store. This integration helps automate shipping, manage orders more efficiently, and streamline the fulfillment process. Let's go step by step to set it up. Now, we are in the Shopify dashboard. We just need to click on Apps. Then we click on All Recommended App Settings. Here, we simply click on Shopify App Store at the bottom. Once we are in the App Store, we need to search for Shiprocket. Since most options are not compatible, we look for the one that is. When we see the compatible option, we just click on it. Shiprocket Smart Code D. Now, we just click on Install. Once installation is done, click Install again. Now, Shiprocket Smart Code D is integrated with our Shopify. We can now configure Shiprocket. Go to Checkout and get started. You can configure all your settings now. With this setup, we can save time, reduce manual work, and improve our shipping workflow.